Samsung can't keep its new phones a secret. Just a week before their big Galaxy Unpacked event, details about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 have been leaked. These leaks show some cool features. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has an impressive screen, and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has great battery life and performance. There's also some really exciting news about how durable both phones are. Famous leakster Avon Blass has shared marketing images of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 in his Substack newsletter. It's one of the best leaked yet. The leaked pictures show that Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 have frames made of armor aluminum, and their cover screens are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. People thought Samsung would use a titanium frame for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but that doesn't seem to be true. More importantly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 have an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. This isn't as good as the IP68 rating for high-end regular phones, but it's a big upgrade from the usual IPX8 rating on foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has the same screen sizes as the previous model, a 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch foldable screen. The 3.4-inch OLED screen still has a 720x748 pixel resolution and runs at 60 Hz. The 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen has a full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has two screens, a 6.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with HD Plus resolution and a 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QXGA Plus resolution. Both screens have a 120 Hz variable refresh rate and can get as bright as 2600 nits, which is the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both phones use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor and have 12 gigs of RAM, with storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 might also come in a 1 TB storage version. They both run on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 software. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a vapor chamber system for better cooling, which is a first for the Galaxy Z Flip series. Both phones include Galaxy AI, allowing you to use features like Circle to Search, Interpreter Mode, and Notes Summarization. However, there don't seem to be any new Galaxy AI features as rumored earlier. The Chat Assist feature has been enhanced and optimized for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 cover screen, making it easier to reply to messages with context-based suggestions from Galaxy AI. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a main camera with 50 megapixels, an ultra-wide camera with 12 megapixels, and a selfie camera with 10 megapixels. It can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second using all its cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has several cameras, a 50 megapixel main rear camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. It also has a 10 megapixel front camera on the cover screen and a 4 megapixel front camera on the inner screen. Like the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it can shoot 4K videos at 60 frames per second with all its cameras. Additionally, the main camera can record 8K videos at 30 frames per second and 4K slow-motion videos at 120 frames per second. Even though it has a 4,000 mAh battery, which is bigger than the Galaxy Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh battery, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is thinner than the previous model. It measures 85.1 x 71.9 x 14.9 mm and weighs 187 grams, the same as the Z Flip 5. When unfolded, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 155.5 x 152.6 x 5.6 mm, and when closed, it measures 85.1 x 71.9 x 14.9 mm. It weighs 239 grams, which is 14 grams lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Like its predecessor, it has a 4,400 mAh battery. Both phones come with a fingerprint reader on the side, stereo speakers, a slot for 2 SIM cards, GPS, 5G, sub-6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port. Only the Galaxy Z Fold 6 includes Samsung DeX. Samsung says the Galaxy Z Flip 6 can last up to 20 hours of web browsing on Wi-Fi, 19 hours on LTE, 23 hours of watching videos, and 68 hours of listening to wireless audio. These times are much better than what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 offered. Samsung says the Galaxy Z Fold 6 can last up to 18 hours when browsing the web, 23 hours when watching videos, and 77 hours when listening to wireless audio. These times are only a little better than what the Galaxy Z Fold 5 offered. Today, we are going to talk about two big surprises. First, pre-order deals, and second, free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's start with the pre-order deals. As part of the Samsung reserve system for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung is telling some customers how much they will save when pre-orders start. They'd first mentioned a general amount of $1,500 or more, but now emails are giving specific details about the savings from different areas, saying reserve now, save later. We thought Samsung would offer at least $1,000 for trade-ins and up to $150 for a double storage promotion. It turns out Samsung is offering even more for both. Here's the breakdown of that $1,500 plus savings for the best Galaxy Z Fold 6 pre-order deal. $1,200 trade-in for Galaxy Fold 6. An email from Samsung says you could get up to $1,200 with an eligible trade-in when pre-ordering a Galaxy Z Fold 6. We're not sure yet, but it's likely that only the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra will qualify for this amount. However, other devices might also get you close. For Fold 5 pre-orders, Samsung gave a full trade-in value for several devices. $240 double storage freebie. Samsung will also double your storage, which is valued at $240. This could mean an upgrade from 512 gigs to 1 TB. Usually an upgrade from 256 gigs to 512 gigs costs around $100 to $150, so this could be a great deal. We'll keep an eye on the storage options, but it looks like a big value boost. Free Samsung Care Plus. As an extra bonus worth $156, Samsung might include Samsung Care Plus for 12 months. This gives you more protection for your foldable device, including unlimited repairs, same-day crack screen fixes for $29, coverage for theft and loss, 24/7 support, and more. It's a great service that most people would prefer not to pay for. It all starts with a reservation. Samsung is giving you $50 just for sharing your name and email. Now let's talk about the free Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Samsung is rumored to increase the prices of its next-gen foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. This might not sound great, but the freebies could be awesome. You might get a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with either foldable. According to insider Roland Quant, when you buy a Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Galaxy Z Flip 6, Samsung will give you a pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro for free. You pay for the foldable device and get these high-end wireless earbuds at no extra cost. This offer might not be available everywhere, but customers in the US are expected to receive Samsung's top earbuds as a bonus. The source doesn't say if getting the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will be a pre-order bonus or a free gift with either foldable after the pre-order period. Normally, Samsung gives better gifts during pre-orders and reduces their value later. However, we haven't seen them include free premium earbuds with their top phones recently. If true, this would be a generous offer from Samsung. Hopefully, it won't replace the free storage upgrades. In many markets, pre-ordering a Galaxy flagship or foldable gets you a free storage upgrade, like getting the higher storage version for less money. For example, people who pre-ordered the 256 gigs Galaxy S24 Ultra got the 512 gigs model without paying extra. We're not sure if this offer will be available for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Luckily, we'll find out soon, since the new foldables will be officially announced on July 10th. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.